friends, welcome back. I'm Heather, and today I'm so excited to bring you a dairy-free eggnog French toast casserole. Now, the title of the recipe is long, but the steps are super simple and it comes together really quickly. We are featuring our partner, Food for Life, and their sprouted grain bread. We keep this on hand all the time. It is so handy to keep in the freezer, pull out when we need it, and we're using that in our recipe today. So we cube up the bread, we blend up our eggnog mixture, which doesn't actually use eggnog. We're making it dairy-free and homemade, super simple. Put it in the oven. We've got pomegranate seeds in it for a delicious burst of fruit and tartness and some beautiful color. And I know that your family is going to love it as much as mine did. So let me show you how it comes together. Wasn't that such a simple recipe? I'm super excited for you guys to try it out. Go down to the link below to grab the full recipe, the printable recipe with those easy instructions, the measurements, and definitely check out the partner Food for Life. And if you guys have questions about this recipe, leave me a comment down below. I'm always here to answer them for you. Thank you for being here. Make sure you subscribe so you're not missing out on all the goodness we've got coming. Bye.